Hello smart minds, today we are going to learn how to place the product of multiplication applying abacus rule. We are going to multiply double digit number with single digit number. Total number of digits is 2 and 1, 3. So we will start placing the product from the third rod, that is hundreds place. And in school method, we multiply from the right side. But in abacus, we always start multiplying from the highest place value. So first multiply 2 by 6, then multiply 8 by 6. We have simplified some steps to understand better. Place the product visualizing the abacus. Come on hundreds place, add 1 by moving up 1 lower bit, and on tens place, move up 2 lower bits. 1 on hundreds place, 2 on tens place. Now we are on tens place. For next part, we will start from tens place. Add 4 on tens place. Bits are not available to add 4. That's why we will apply 5's complement. Move down upper bit and move down 1 lower bit. That means we add 5 less 1 to add 4. Now on hundreds place it's 1 and on tens place it's 5 and 1, 6. Come on ones place and add 8 on ones place by moving down upper bit and move up 3 lower bits. 5 and 3, 8. 1 on hundreds place, 6 on tens place, 8 on ones place. 168. Next one, 32 is multiplied by 2. Here also total number of digits is 3. So we will start placing the product from the third rod, that is hundreds place. First multiply 3 by 2, it will be 6. As we are multiplying total 2 digits, our product should be in double digit number. But 6 is a single digit number, that's why we have added a 0 before 6 to adjust it. Now come on hundreds place, add 0 on hundreds place, add 6 on tens place by moving down upper bit, moving up 1 lower bit. 5 and 1, 6 on tens place. We are on tens place. For next part, we will start from tens place. Add 0 on tens place and add 4 on ones place by moving up 4 lower bits. 0 on hundreds place, 6 on tens place, 4 on ones place. The final answer is 64. Now we will multiply 63 by 7. Total number of digits is 3. So start placing the product from the third rod and start multiplying from the highest place value. First we will multiply 6 by 7. 7 times 6, 42. Come on hundreds place. Move up 4 lower bits on hundreds place to add 4 and move up 2 lower bits on tens place. 4 on hundreds place, 2 on tens place. Now we are on tens place. For next part we will start from tens place. Add 2 on tens place. Bits are pretty available to add 2 and add 1 on ones place. The final answer is 441. 441. The last one, 64 is multiplied by 8. Total number of digits is 3. So we will start placing the product from the third rod, that is hundreds place, and start multiplying from the highest place value. First we will multiply 6 by 8. 8 times 6, 48. Then we will multiply 4 by 8. 8 times 4, 32. Come on hundreds place. Move up 4 lower bits on hundreds place. And on tens place, move down upper bit and move up 3 lower bits. 5 and 3, 8. 4 on hundreds place, 8 on tens place. Now we are on tens place. For next part, we will start placing the product from tens place. Add 3 on tens place. Bits are not available to add 3 directly. We will apply tens complements. Add 10 less 7. Come on hundreds place. Move up 1 lower bit and from tens place, move up upper bit and move down 2 lower bits. That means we add 100 and less 70 to add 30. Now it's 5 on hundreds place, 1 on tens place and on ones place. Add 2 by moving up 2 lower bits. 5, 1, 2. The final answer is 512. I hope you have enjoyed today's lesson and learned many visual abacus tricks. Don't forget to like, share, comments and subscribe to Zippy Learning. We are coming back soon with an exciting abacus lesson. Thank you.